Hello and welcome. Today we're exploring a question that has echoed through humanity for ages. Where are we in the story of time? Are we at the dawn, the middle, or the dusk of the universe? This isn't just a scientific puzzle, it's a deeply personal wonder that connects us all. All of human history fits into a tiny sliver of cosmic time. We are born, we live, and we pass on, while the universe continues its majestic journey. Understanding our place in that journey can change how we see ourselves and our future. The answer is woven from science, faith, and the stories we tell to make sense of it all. We look to the heavens for clues, using telescopes to peer back into the distant past. Every discovery brings us closer to understanding our moment in time. The journey to find the answer is as important as the answer itself. So let's embark on this journey together. We'll travel from the fiery birth of the universe to its possible distant end. We'll explore what it means to be a species capable of asking such a question. Where are we on this vast timeline of existence? Let's begin. To find our place in time, we must define its beginning, middle, and end. The beginning is the Big Bang, the moment everything exploded into being. The middle is a vast era when stars are born, live and die, seeding the cosmos with the elements for new worlds and life. It's the universe's most dynamic phase, filled with potential. The end is the most mysterious. Will the universe expand forever, growing cold and dark in a heat death, or collapse in a big crunch? When we ask where we are, we're placing ourselves on this immense timeline. Are we closer to the explosive dawn, the bustling midday, or the quiet evening to come? Each possibility changes how we see our lives and our future. Understanding these three phases, the dawn, the long day, and the final night, is the first step. It's how we begin to locate ourselves in the grand cosmic narrative. Let's see where humanity fits in. 12. Now let's turn to ourselves, humanity. If the universe's history were a single year, the Big Bang is January 1st. Homo sapiens appear in the final minutes of December 31st. All of recorded history flashes by in the last seconds before midnight. We are incredibly recent arrivals on the cosmic scene, cosmic infants, just opening our eyes. Our story is just beginning, filled with potential and fragility. But zoom out to Earth's timeline. Life has existed for nearly 4 billion years, complex animals for over 500 million. Dinosaurs ruled far longer than we have existed. From this view, we're just the latest chapter in a long, dramatic story. On the cosmic scale, the universe is nearly 14 billion years old. Stars and galaxies formed long before our sun or planet. We live in a mature universe, settled enough for stable planets and life to evolve. So, while we're at the dawn of our own story, we're in the middle of the universe's, a time ripe with possibility. Our moment is both humble and astonishing. Let's look back at how we know this. 15. Science lets us piece together the universe's story from the clues it left behind. The most important clue is light from distant galaxies. When we look far, we look back in time. Telescopes are time machines, showing us galaxies as they were billions of years ago. We know the universe began about 13.8 billion years ago, thanks to evidence like the cosmic microwave background and the abundance of light elements. The universe started hot and dense, then expanded and cooled. For hundreds of thousands of years it was a foggy plasma. Only when atoms formed did light break free. That ancient light still reaches us today. We are not adrift in an eternal void, we're part of a dynamic evolving cosmos. We live 13.8 billion years after the dawn. This knowledge anchors us in time and transforms speculation into understanding. Now let's look ahead. Science also lets us peer into the future. The universe's expansion is accelerating, driven by dark energy. This points to a future of increasing isolation and cold, a scenario called the heat death or big freeze. Galaxies will drift apart, stars will burn out, and the universe will slowly fade to black. Black holes will be the last active objects, but even they will eventually evaporate. All that remains will be a cold, dilute soup of particles in an endless void. We are living in the stelliferous era, the age of stars, warmth and life. This is a brief, shining moment in cosmic history. We're not at the dawn, but in the vibrant warmth before the embers fade. Our era is special, a fleeting window of light and possibility. Let's see how ancient people wondered about these same mysteries. 12. Our quest to understand time is ancient. For millennia, people looked to the heavens and saw a grand story in the stars. Celestial rhythms became our first clocks and calendars. Ancient cultures created myths to explain the beginning and end of time, like the Egyptian sun god Ra, Hindu Yuga cycles, or Norse Ragnarok. These stories reveal a deep need to understand our origins and our fate. They show that we've always wondered about the cosmic dawn and dusk. Ancient observatories like Stonehenge are monuments to this fascination. Our modern instruments are just more powerful versions of those early tools. The questions we ask today are the same ones whispered around ancient campfires. Now let's bring it all together. So, are we at the dawn, the middle, or the dusk? It depends on your perspective. For humanity, we're at the very beginning, just starting our journey. For life on Earth, we're in the middle of a long, ongoing story. We're caretakers of a world billions of years in the making. From the cosmic view, we exist in a privileged moment, the age of stars. We're long past the chaotic dawn, but far from the cold dusk. We are a single grain of sand on an infinite shore, existing during the one perfect tide. This means we are at the beginning, in the middle, and before the end, all at once. Our existence is both bold and humble, shaped by immense timescales. This gives our lives unique significance. Let's carry that perspective forward. We've travelled from the universe's fiery birth to its possible silent end. Our place in time is layered young as a species, living on a middle-aged planet in a mature universe. This perspective reminds us our moment is fleeting and precious. It invites us to live thoughtfully and consider our legacy. If we're at the dawn of humanity's story, our choices will echo for generations. By studying the cosmos, we learn about ourselves and our potential. The quest to understand our place in time is ongoing. Each new discovery adds to the story. We must keep looking up, asking big questions, and seeking knowledge. The universe is speaking, we just need to listen. The story is still being written, and we are all a part of it. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of our place in time. Please like and subscribe to Cosmic Discover.